Why are most video business owners scared of sales? It's a question we get a lot, and a lot of people are saying, hey, I don't want to be sleazy or salesy on calls. And I think a lot of people get the wrong impression. We were just talking about this on one of the lives we just had about what sales actually is. Because at the end of the day, like sales is helping people get into a product that you know will genuinely help them. And I think where a lot of people get stuck or hung up is that they don't actually believe that they can help their prospect. They don't actually believe that their video services are going to get them more clients. They don't actually believe they can help them, so they kind of half-ass the sales process. And I think a lot of people suffer from this, and you have to reframe the mindset. If you truly believe in the product that you're selling, you truly believe that you can help somebody, you truly believe all of those things, then it is your duty to get them into your process, service, company, whatever it may be. And I think a lot of people just get hung up because they're like, I don't actually believe in what I'm selling, or they're not confident enough. And I think that stems from having to learn a new skill. And this goes back to what we're seeing in the space right now and what's changing. It is no longer good enough for you to create content and hand it to a client and say, good luck. Like, they want strategy. And if you want to get paid retainers between 5 and 10K a month, you have to offer some sort of strategy, whether that's running lead gen campaigns for them, which is a very simple skill. It's not hard. Whether it's hiring somebody to do that on your team, whether it's doing an organic content strategy, whether it's doing some sort of strategy to help them get more leads, calls, and sales. Because when a business owner sees your price, they're thinking two things. They're thinking, how is this going to make me more money and get me more clients? Or how is this going to get the clients that I already have paying me more and making me more money? And if you cannot genuinely answer those questions, then they're always going to give you the price objection. They're always going to give you the I need to think about it objection. They're always going to go with a cheaper option. Because when you look at when they look at your price, they need to see like, I'm at 500K a month or whatever the revenue goal is, and I want to get to $1 million a month. If I hire Johnny to come in and create content for me, distribute the content, get me more leads, then like there's a very high likelihood that I'm going to make more money and get closer to my goal. And that's what you have to understand is like you have to help them get closer to their goal. And if you're not doing that, then it's going to be really difficult to close sales. It's going to be difficult. You're going to get phased out. People are going to use AI to replace you, and you're going to get in a place where like you become irrelevant. And I don't say that out of like a rude way. I say that because you have to learn new skills. And I think a lot of people get grumpy about that. I don't want to do that. I'm a filmmaker. I'm a video business owner. I don't want to have to do that stuff. That's what agencies do. It's like, that's fine, but then you're going to probably end up working for an agency that does that, right? Because clients want full service. They want someone to come in, create content for them, run the content, and just see an impact on the business. I was talking to one of our clients, like before he came in with us, he was working with a law firm, and they were spending about 5K a month with him on content that just got them views. And I think they were racking up like between creating the content and then he ran like some top of funnel boosting posts, which we don't ever recommend you guys do. He did that, and I think they were getting 2 million views a month, and like it definitely helped the brand awareness. But the problem is it didn't actually get this law firm any more clients. Whereas if he had just taken that same content, formatted it a little bit different, and run a lead generation campaign for this client, then he would have gotten dramatically different results. So all that to say, like, don't be afraid of learning a new skill. Don't be afraid of learning something new that's going to help you get more clients and get your clients better results, because that's going to translate into the sales process to where you actually believe that you can help them get a result. Because when you believe core through and through that you can help them get this result and you can help them make more money, then it's going to be easy to sell people because you genuinely believe you can help them. So those are my thoughts for today. You want to learn more about how we can actually help you learn that skill, schedule a demo below and we can help you. We do exactly that in Master Filmmaker. We help you learn that skill for yourself, and then you can transfer and turn around and sell that to your clients. So hopefully that helps. If you want to learn more, schedule a demo below. If not, keep enjoying the free YouTube videos. We'll see you in the next one.